Hey, Anthony here with another lesson from the Alfred's Essentials of Music Theory series. In this video, I'll cover Unit 1, Lesson 5. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. There is an index with links in the description so you can easily find the lessons you need. Okay, let's get right into it. Today's lesson is about ledger lines, low and high notes. More than one ledger line may be added to extend the lower and upper ranges of the grand staff. The next higher notes of the treble staff are G, A, B, and C. Okay, so last lesson we were talking about the ledger lines underneath in treble clef and above in bass clef, but today we're above in treble clef and below in bass clef. The next lower notes of the bass staff are F, E, D, and C. All the notes on the grand staff from bass clef, low C to treble clef, high C. So there they are laid out for you on the grand staff. All the notes right there. Okay, let's get right into the exercises. Okay, so we're doing more drawing of those treble clefs and bass clefs. So let's do it. Draw a treble clef and name the notes. And naming those notes. We've got C right there. Next up we've got B. B there below the staff. G right there. D right there. C and A. Don't forget, if you're still new to this, every good boy does fine for the lines in treble clef, and F-A-C-E, or face for the spaces in treble clef. Now we're going to the bass clef. Remember, grandma buys dresses for all. For bass clef, those are the lines, and for the spaces, all cows eat grass. All right, F, C, D, B, E, D, and C. And don't forget, you can certainly look up here to help you with this. If this is new to you, don't feel like you have to, have all this memorized at first. Using your references is super important, and you'll memorize it over time if you just reference things. All right, number 3, write each of the indicated notes in 4 places on the grand staff. We're gonna need a ledger line right there for our D. D right there. And then we also need it in 2 places in treble clef. D there and D there. Next, E. Let's go to the ledger line below. Boom. On the staff, and on the staff. All right, here we go. F. No ledger lines needed here. Miraculous. And neither with G. All right, so we've got one right here. Boom. We've got a G on the top space. All cows eat grass. Here, we've got a G right there. Remember, every good boy does fine. So that's the second line. And then a G above the staff. All right. A, let's put them out. A there. Grandma buys dresses for all. F-A-C-E for the spaces. And we need to pop a ledger line above the staff for that final A. B, grandma buys dresses for all. Second line in bass clef. There we go. Remember B, C, D for those notes above the staff in bass clef. Also the same for the below notes in treble clef. And then this very last one, B and B above. And there you have it. Alfred's Essentials of Music Theory, Unit 1, Lesson 5. Feel free to click to go to the next video, which is actually the review. So, boom, there you go. And subscribe. Have a good day.